If you've decided to delete your Threads account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the settings option, usually represented by gear icon, and select it to open account settings. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option for account management or privacy settings. Look for the option that mentions deleting or deactivating your account. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Once you select the delete account option, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any warnings or information provided and confirm that you want to proceed with the deletion. Step 5. Finalize the process. After confirming, your account will be scheduled for deletion. You may receive a notification or email confirming that your account is being deleted. Ensure you do not log back in, as this may reactivate your account. After following these steps, your Threads account should be permanently deleted. Remember that this action is irreversible, so make sure you want to proceed before confirming the deletion.